Carbon dioxide or CO2 extinguishers are signal red with a black panel. They are suitable for use on Class B fires and those involving electrical equipment. To use a CO2 extinguisher, position the discharge horn, as it will be too cold to do so when the extinguisher is being used. Pull the safety tag to break the seal. Pull out the safety pin. Hold the handle and the body of the extinguisher. Test the extinguisher to check if it works. Point the horn at the base of the flames, and whilst discharging the extinguisher, walk toward the flames in order to put them out. When the flames are out, walk back away from the fire while still discharging the extinguisher.